do a little DIY of how to do a flower wall. So stay tuned if you want to see how that goes. This is my first DIY. Hopefully it doesn't fail, but if it does, it does, so. And here we are at Bunnings.
Bunnings Warehouse. Lowest prices are just the beginning.
Off we go to get our goodies that we need for this DIY. Got everything we needed from Bunnings, so time to head home and start DIYing. Alright, so we're back from Bunnings and I'm going to show you the ingredients that we brought to be able to create and make this flower wall. First thing I had to get was these flowers. They come on a grid tile, so it just makes life a whole lot easier. Don't have to chop and cut the flowers myself. They just already come like that. And so I brought two. So here's I'll just show you one. I didn't like the color of this. I just thought it was just very boring and plain. So I actually brought some spray paint to spray paint them to change the color to hopefully give it a bit more of a, just so it can suit the theme and the color of my bedroom. The spray paints I brought were these two. I'm going for a very pinky, musky, peachy, rose gold sort of colour vibe for the flowers. And Josh's stepdad has already had this gold because he's a painter, so he had some spray paint. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this. Better already. That's the first layer in color on it.
You look ridiculous though.
Shake. So just finished spray painting the flowers, and when I get back home to my house we're going to assemble them all together and hopefully try and put it on my wall. So I just got home and I gave my flowers an extra spray of paint, yeah, just to brighten them up and hopefully make them look nice in my room. But I'll let them dry and then I'll use zip ties to connect them together and then I'll hang them on my wall. This is a before of the wall before I put the flowers up. As you can see, it's just very plain, bare and boring. Ta-da! Here we are. This is the end result of it and I absolutely love it. So that's my DIY flower wall. It's not very big, but I had to just work with what I had. And when I get my room all under control, I'll have a bedroom tour and you can see my whole setup because it's been transforming for a long time. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see any more videos that I make. So yeah, that's all. See ya.